Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as you can see, Belle's hair is so dry, very tangled at the moment, and I'm gonna try to deep condition it with this banana hair mask that I just researched. Apparently it's very good for elasticity of hair and it moisturizes your hair as well. These are all natural products. They're things we already use. I already use this castor oil for her hair. I actually got this on Amazon, and this is organic honey that she uses for her milk. So everything is natural, and of course this banana. This is our first time going to deep condition her hair. After I've tried it about 2 to 4 months, I'm going to give you an update on how this has worked for us. But in the meantime, let's crack on with getting this hair mask done. I've put these plasters on my nails because I don't want the hair to get caught up in between the nails. They're overgrown and I have to go and redo them. So let's get on with this. These are the things I'm going to need. I'm going to use this bowl right here with my hand blender. I'll start off with hitting the banana. Thing is, I don't eat bananas, so just putting me off right now. I need the best for Belle's hair. You know how much attention I pay to that hair. So I saw that some people added olive oil. I'm not sure about it. I know it's all natural, but I don't know if I want to. Maybe I'll just add a tablespoon of it. Squeeze some honey into it. Castor oil. I'm just going with 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This I measure will be about 4 tablespoons of water. And I'm going to blend it all together. Right, this is the consistency, the right consistency I was looking for. And I'm going to drain it still. I don't want any chunks of banana in her hair after I finish washing it. I'm going to strain it with this. I'm going to just strain it. I have a very smooth consistency and get rid of the seeds and the chunky bits. This is the impurities left over. And of course I have this nice consistency. I'm going to put this in her hair, put that in her hair, and then cover it with this and leave it for a while, about 20 minutes. I'm still going to use her rice water, her fermented rice water, but this is just to deep condition her hair because I find it so dry at the moment. She was having a headache, so I didn't want to do anything to her hair. I just wanted to let her scalp breathe, and now we have that chunk of hair. Deep condition it and get it to be moisturized. I'm going to get her hair a bit damp before I go in with the conditioner, just so it's manageable. Look at that. My hairdresser was telling me to trim her hair, but I think it's healthy, except for the fact that it gets a bit tangled. I think it's healthy, but she hasn't got, I don't know if she's got split ends.
Pink pox.
Pink pox?
Yeah.
What's pink pox?
I don't know.
Oh, when we went to the doctor. Chicken pox? No, you don't have that. Thank goodness. Thank God for that. I was so afraid. Sorry, baby. We've done several hair wash routines, so I'm not going to show you how I wash the hair after I've conditioned it. This is just to show you how we condition the hair with the banana hair mask. I'll leave a link in the description box for wash routine with the rice water. Well, just in case you're wondering how we wash it. So this is going to be about the conditioner and the styling today. And we have actually done some hairstyle video, so you could check that one out as well. So this is damp now. Going again with the banana hair mask. That's a very nice consistency. While I was researching, I learned that the banana helps with the hair elasticity. Not that Belle is lacking any of those. Her hair is very healthy. It's just a little bit dry, and I thought to deep condition it because in this weather it tends to be a bit dry. I'm just trying to get some moisture locked in her hair. And the oils are going to help that as well. I added castor oil, virgin olive oil, and some honey. which obviously are all very good for hair growth. Guys, if any of you know about any other natural homemade deep conditioners, please leave me a comment below and let me know, and how you manage your toddler's hair. I'm still learning a great deal. So I've applied everything. That one banana was just enough for her hair. I mean, the measurement I made, the mixture was just enough for her hair. I tried to finger detangle while I was putting the mixture into the mass into her hair. I'm just going to put it in her cup and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then we go and wash as normal. Rinse with rice water, fermented rice water. I mean, I'm going to see the difference because I know how the rice water works, and that's what I've been using for my hair, so I know how it works. So I'm going to just leave it on for 20 minutes and do everything as normal, and I'll see the difference. I'm going to wash that now and we'll see how it looks. Obviously it's very soft. Yeah, it looks a little bit tangled still, but I'm going to detangle it now and we'll see. This is her hair washed to the conditioner. It still has a little bit of impurities from the banana, but yeah, I think it's okay so far. I have the rice water in now. I'm going to wash it out in a few minutes. Look, it's actually moisturized, I would say. I know I have water in it, but it looks much better from what it was before. Okay, let's wash this out. The products I need to add and we'll see. Yeah, a little bit of the banana, even though I seed it up. This is her hair all washed. As you can see, it's very moisturized. The shrinkage is very real, guys. Her hair is, look at that. Wait, hold on.
And the bottom where I can see, and so the camera can see, okay?
Yeah, the camera is looking at. The hair is right there, and the front bit goes all the way to her shoulder, but it shrinks so easily. I think she's got more of my hair texture than her daddy's. I would normally let it air dry because it's so late. This has been about 2 hours in the making, guys. I'm going to just braid it or twist it and then keep her head warm. That I find is my challenge, trying to keep her head warm because it's already winter. It's winter and she's already coming down with a cold, so I'll just twist it and wrap a t-shirt or something on her head. So guys, if you would like a moisturizer that will condition your daughter's hair, your toddler's hair, by all means try the banana hair mask. I would say do not add castor oil because I found that it made it so difficult to comb out. So maybe just use the olive oil and the banana and the honey. That should be enough because castor oil is a bit heavy. So maybe you can change it, maybe use coconut oil instead of castor oil, and that should do. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe, and I will, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Don't say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye.